Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. After so long, it's Davinci here, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly cast your computer screen to your Apple TV using Steam. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. On Steam, you can go ahead and open settings on the top left right over here. In settings, you want to go down to remote play and make sure enable remote play is turned on. Then, under computer and devices, you'll see your Apple TV name once you click pair Steam link. When you click pair Steam link, a code will pop up on your Apple TV where you'll enter it right over here to make sure your TV and your computer is actually paired. Once your TV and your PC is paired, you can go ahead onto your Apple TV and download the app called Steam Link. You can get Steam Link in the App Store of your Apple TV. You can just go ahead and search it up. But once your TV and your PC is paired, you can go ahead and open Steam Link and then click Start Playing once you see the green check mark next to your computer name. Then your computer and your PC will start the connecting process. This may take a little while, but make sure your computer and your TV is on the same Wi-Fi because then the connection will be much more clear and faster. You'll get into the Steam app. This will allow you to launch apps on your computer and they will be casted to your Apple TV. If you don't want to cast something on Steam, then you just want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard, and then you can get out of the Steam app and then you can cast whatever game you want to on your computer and it will display on your Apple TV. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.